My name is Salman, and I took the software engineering track with General Assembly Bahrain. Before GA, I was running my startup Cello, and I chose GA to further my coding skills so that I can then use it in my startup afterwards. Right now, I run my app. It's called Cello. Cello is a video marketplace, and it works locally. So if you're here in Bahrain and you download the app on iOS, you can then see what people are selling around you. And GA helped in sort of helping me hone my JavaScript skills so that I was able to transfer into building our Android version. General Assembly was very much worth it for me. And the main reason is I was coding every day for 3 months straight. I think as a programmer, to develop your skills, you constantly have to be coding, you constantly have to be learning new things. And it kind of forced me to do that for 3 months. And it also sort of refreshed my memory on a lot of things that I'd have done years ago, but I wasn't very good at, or I would have forgotten. So it was definitely great for even programmers that, are programming full time. The program is great to just get some structure and to develop your skills.